Hello all, today in this video we are going to see how to make an Gaussian filtered image. So if you are following our previous video means in this code only we have made the previous tutorial of reading an image, then visualizing that image, showing the histogram of the image and showing the histogram equalization of the image and also showing the size of the image. In the same code itself we can do the Gaussian filtering code also. So here in this code we are just using, since it's an basic tutorial of image processing, we are just using the default Matlab Gaussian filter function. So this is the original image I am read of cameraman for TIFF. So after this histogram equalization image, I'm just calling the Gaussian filter function, which is I am Gauss filter, and in this I am just calling the original image IMG, and I'm giving a standard deviation value as 2, where 2 is the standard deviation. So now in order to display these values, I'm providing display both the values, that is the original image and also the Gaussian filtered image. Other than IM show function, I'm just using the montage function to show both the images in the same graph. So the montage is, in that I'm just calling the original image which is IMG and the Gaussian image which is IMG and then I'm providing a title to this image. To provide the title, this is we have to give the title line and just we have to give that title which we have choose within single quotes. So here I'm just giving the original image, this Gaussian filtered image. So if you want some other title means you can give that. So I'm just running this session and just evaluating that. So yeah, now you can see the difference. This is the last montage image. This is the original image and this is the Gaussian filtered image. Apart from that, other image, or this is the histogram equalization image, and this is the original image. So like that, if you want to check with some other image, that is image 1. Image 1 is same as cameraman. We are just only resizing that. Just we can check with this Pepper's image. Here the Pepper's image function is imgr, and then I'm just calling this imgr into it and then calling this function and then evaluating the selection. So this is the code for the original image with the Gaussian filtered image. So in this video we are just showing the difference between what is the Gaussian filter image and original image, which is an image processing tutorial. In the next video we can see some other basic image processing tutorial. Thank you.